Where will the India Energy Week 2026 be organized from January 27 to January 30? Goa. As per the International Energy Agency's World Energy Outlook 2025, what percent of global incremental energy demand will India account for by 2050? Over 23%. Union Minister Jiten Singh inaugurated the world's fifth National Primary Standard Facility for Solar Cell Calibration at which institute? CSIR and PL. India's first hydrogen power train is set to be launched on which of the following rail route? Right answer is Kalka Simla. The theme for the National Textile Ministers Conference 2026 scheduled to start on January 8 in Guwahati is. Right answer is B. India's textile, weaving growth, heritage and innovation. Which country collaborated with India to develop the world's fifth solar calibration facility using advanced laser-based technology? Right answer is B. Germany. The Department of Economic Affairs has created a 3-year public-private partnership project pipeline for 2025-26. What is the combined total cost of the project included? Right answer is C. Over 17 lakh crore rupees. Consider the following statement regarding India's railway electrification as of November 2025. First, India Railway has become the world's largest electrified rail system. Second, more than 99% of the broad gauge network has been electrified. Which of the following statement given below is correct? Right answer is C. Both 1 and 2. Ramesh Kumar Chuneza, who recently assumed the position of chairman of the Council for Leather Export, is the founder of which group? Right answer is B. JC Group. Last question. India has become the world's first country to commercially produce biobitumen. This sustainable alternative is primarily derived from. Right answer is B. Crop residue or agricultural waste. Veteran leader Kavindra Purkayastha, who passed away in January 2026, served as the Minister of State for which department in the Vajpayee government? The right answer is C. Telecommunications. The national workshop on model women-friendly Gram Panchayats was organized by the Ministry of Panchayati Raj at which location? Right answer is A. Yashada, Pune. The CSIR National Physical Laboratory, which recently celebrated its 80th foundation day, is headquartered in which city? The right answer is New Delhi. कब आया 5 जनवरी को. The International Energy Agency, which recently published the World Energy Outlook 2025, is headquartered in. The right answer is C. Paris, France. ये एक autonomous body है. Guwahati, the venue for the next National Textile Ministers Conference 2026, is situated on the bank of which river? Brahmaputra. Guwahati is the largest city of the Assam. की बात ध्यान रखना. Fourth question. The Council for Leather Exports is an autonomous organization under the aegis of which union minister? Ministry of Commerce and Industry. तो इसी मंत्री का नाम आप बताओगे. In the context of India's northeast, which state is not part of the seven sister? तो right answer is Sikkim. इसको brother कहा जाता है, brother state. It is called brother state. Next question. Which Indian state was the first to be formed on a linguistic basis in 1953? Right answer is Andhra Pradesh. The Jind Sonipat rail route chosen for India's first hydrogen train pilot is located in which state? Question number 7. Haryana. Who was the first director of the CSIR National Physical Laboratory? B. Sir K.S. Krishnan. Under the Indian Constitution, Panchayati Raj is a subject included in which list? State list.